Hey guys, I'm starting a product management interview prep, and today I will be going through a strategy question. And the question is, as a PM launching Spotify's podcast product, how would you acquire users? So, the first thing is before you jump into any solution or any kind of user persona or anything like that, so the first step is to ask the clarifying questions. Now, how do you clarify questions? So, there are three steps. The first step is you underline the nouns or the verbs which you feel are like vague in some sense. So here I can see there is like podcast product. So I want to clarify whether this is an in-app product or it's a separate launch. The other thing can be when they are talking about users. So as it is a two-sided marketplace, so are we focusing on the creators and or the listeners? And the other thing is you don't keep on just asking the questions. Matlab, you also try to state your assumptions. So for this context, I will be focusing on the listeners. The other vertical where you can ask the clarifying questions is the goals and metrics, and then the other one is constraints and assumptions. So regarding the goals and metrics, because इसमें ऐसे लिखा है कि you have to acquire users. But what do you mean by acquire users? So you will say that by acquiring users, I mean I will be focusing on the activation, like people जो Spotify के podcast वाले page पे आ रहे हैं and they are listening to the first podcast. So that is the activation moment, first aha moment for them. And then coming to the constraints and assumptions. So one constraint can be that we won't be providing incentives just to acquire the users. So this is one constraint. Other thing can be that I will be focusing on the Indian context as it is a large population with mobile devices and growing podcast trends. So and for I will be focusing on Indian context and it can be extended to other regions as well. So these are the three verticals where you can, have the clarifying questions. Once you have the clarifying questions, you also go a bit into the competitive landscape. So you can say that, okay, Apple Podcast is like one such competitor. So do we have any competitive advantage or something like competitive advantage in terms of like better discovery it can be, or it can be exclusive tie-ups with the creators, something like that. And then you can talk about uh, any trends, any opportunities, or any strengths or weaknesses you have as a company. So, because we are talking about Spotify, so opportunity can be like Spotify can be a one place solution for the audio. So, this is one thing like which you can talk about. Then, before diving into the solution, you also go and talk about the structure, like what will be the structure you will be following. So, my structure which I will be following in this question is I will go through a target user persona, I will go through their journey, I will go through the pain points, then I will discover some solutions. After discovering some solutions, I will like to talk about the metrics and the trade offs, and finally the summarization part. So, अब बात करते हैं कि what persona I want to target. So, I want to target existing Spotify users who listen to podcasts somewhere else. So, why I have taken this persona? So, you also have to मतलब explain the reasoning behind your choices. So, मैंने existing Spotify users लिए हैं so that क्योंकि these people are already loyal to the platform. So, the thing is जो इनका cost acquisition cost है that will be zero. And like they already listen to podcast. If they are listening to podcast मतलब उनको कोई भी conversion या training की जरूरत नहीं है to educate the long form content. ठीक है. And so this is my target persona I'm choosing. Now coming to like ये target persona कैसे choose करते हैं? You think of there are two segments. One is either you convert the existing users on the platform to use more, or you bring new users. So this is like the existing users to chip into another vertical or this, which makes more sense. Then comes to when and where are these people using listening to podcasts. So then the second thing comes when and where. So these are the people when they are commuting, they are transforming their idle time into entertainment or learning. During morning hours, they are doing like listening to some meditative sessions or before bedtime or during even lunch breaks. So, um, so when and where is more about the timing and the context कि जो ये टारगेट पर्सोना है ये कब पॉडकास्ट सुन रहा है या नहीं सुन रहा है सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग देन यू गो टू व्हाट इज देयर कोर goal they are trying to achieve, that is the what is they are trying to transform their ideal time into entertainment or learning. The emotional job they are trying to do is they want to feel more informed, and the social job can be they have like more topics to discuss with their friends. Okay, so once you have covered the core jobs they are trying to do, then we will deep dive into their journey so that we can figure out the pain points. Coming to the journey, so let's think of it's Monday morning. I went for the workout. I play a workout playlist, but then after the workout is done, I want to listen to a news podcast. So I have to switch between the apps, and it is like context switching, and I have to there's a friction basically. I was listening to music, and then for podcast, I'm going to another app. Another example can be like I'm commuting for office and I have been listening to a podcast, but at work I want some focused music. So again, it is like switching between the apps. Other thing can be another pain point which I can think of is like not able to find the podcast similar to the taste. So your taste can be very specific, like let's say you have a music preferences. So similar way you may have like some kind of podcast preferences. But right now the experience is like two apps and it's a fragmented experience. So these are the pain points we have listed. Before diving into the solution, so what we have done is, let me reiterate, we have gone through the target persona, the when and where, the context and the timing. What is the core job they are trying to do? So what is the core job they are trying to do is basically what core job they are trying to do. And the needs is basically if there is a gap between a current solution and the core job they are trying to do. And for the current solution, what they are doing is uh, here they are switching between the apps. So there is a gap, and once you identify a gap, you derive a solution for it, which is like how you are going to do it. Now we will dive into the solution part. So coming to the solution, the thing is you will be integrating podcast into the Spotify, which will be a zero switching. So you will have one app for all kind of audio experiences. Other thing can be Spotify as a Spotify, because we will be getting those deep emotional signals based on the taste, music taste. So it will help us to recommend better. So more personalization. Then you can have some kind of contextual nudges. Let's say people who are commuting for office during 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So listen to this podcast, like some specific contextual nudges you can show it on the homepage or like some notifications. And we know that these people are already loyal to Spotify, so we just need to give them some nudge on the homepage itself that go and listen to this podcast. Mm, so what we have covered till now is we went into the how, then we went into pain points and the solutions basically. Now we will be covering the metrics. So in the metrics part, you talk about like the primary metrics and some of the secondary metrics. So a primary metrics can be that listening to the first podcast, but that is not the only metrics you are going to track, right? So there will be secondary metrics also, like the number of return users or time to first podcast play or episodes completed versus dropped. So these can be some of the secondary metrics. Once you have talked about the metrics you are going to track, then you will be talking about the trade-offs. So the trade-offs can be like this particular segment which I have chosen. It can be a smaller segment, but so that is one trade-off. Other thing is we are trying to merge this vertical, but we should not dilute the core value of Spotify. Spotify, when we talk about Spotify, it's a music. The first thing which comes to mind is music. So the thing is like its core value should be intact. The podcast is like more of a secondary vertical. So that is another thing. Once you have gone through the metrics and trade-offs, you basically summarize. So summarize, I will start by, so first I started by asking some of the clarifying questions. I talked about the competitive landscape, and Spotify can be a stop solution for one stop solution for audio. And I talked about the persona, which are the existing Spotify users who listen to podcasts. And their main pain points is they have to switch between the apps and they can't find, podcasts similar to their taste. So solutions can be like show contextual nudges on the homepage itself, uh, and like give them more personalized recommendations. Uh, and then I have talked about the metrics, where the North Star metrics is like listening to the first podcast, and then there are secondary metrics. And then we have gone through the trade offs, where we want to make sure that the core value is intact. Um, so, yeah, this is for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.